Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell. There we go, right there, good people. Hey, we had guests yesterday, so it was really cool. If you didn't watch the live, please do. Hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell, all right? And today is brought to you by Stock Up U. The coupon code LEARN will continue. I made a mistake on yesterday. It will end on the 9th. That's this Monday. It's done. It's done on the 9th, okay? So don't wait, don't delay, go today. So because yesterday was a longer video, we're just going to go right into it. All right, good people? Love you guys. Hey, let's see what's going on with the stocks. We're going to cover crypto. Stock market today, Dow and S&P, NASDAQ, gains as tech as tech stock lead, all right? With Fed Powell on deck. What they mean by that, Fed Powell is speaking right at this moment. And as a matter of fact, this just popped up. Powell says economic strength gives Fed ability to take time on rate cuts. So they may slow up the amount of rate cuts. You know, of course, they will probably skip a month. We don't know. But when he says stuff like this, it begins to get baked in to the market. And so that's what we call jawboning, because he could have just waited, right? He don't want to shock the market, so that's what he does. Let's see the market really quick. We could see everything is up, green, green, green. We like that. S&P, NASDAQ, and Dow is up. Everything is up, all except the Russell 2000. Russell 2000 small caps are not doing so well today, but individual ones are, okay? So look at that, right? So now, a lot of you guys have been asking about QUBT, quantum computing. I'm not going to cover this all of the time. I stated what I stated what I was going to do with it. A lot of you guys have been asking about it, and I said set either a stop loss or a trailing stop loss. As for me, Larry, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. I'm holding because I got it so cheap. I got it at 93 cents. So I'm holding my 3,000 shares, right? But I also want to let you know that it's graduating from a penny stock to the big boys, right? And it still has the attributes of a penny stock, meaning it could surge up really high and drop really low, just like penny stock, okay? But it's a great company in the making. So as you could see here, right there, it is up 14% for the day. So we have these swings where it was down. See here? So from here to here, it fell 27%, right? And you go, oh, this is trash. It's no good, blah, blah, blah. Then it turns around and run back up, what? 35%. From December 3rd, you see that, right? 35%. So that is the type of volatility you have to be ready for in a stock like quantum computing. Okay. So, people are like, hey, Larry, what is support? What's resistance? Listen, I don't know. I don't care. I'm not watching that. All I know is I got it cheap. I'm going to hold it long. And when I mean long, I mean for years. I believe that because of the market cap or the size of this company, it will get bought out by a bigger company, causing the stock to run up even higher. And if it doesn't, and if they continue to get great contracts, it will be a good stock. Now, for those of you that are up 200, 300, somebody followed me, you're up 400%, you may think about putting a trailing stop loss on. And I wouldn't, as you could see, it's volatile by 30%. 25%, 15%, then don't set a stop loss at 10%. It's going to take your money and come back. Okay. All right. So I just wanted to go over that. So we got Fed Powell speaking. We went over that. What else? There is something that I wanted to play. I was going to play this here but I'm not. Bitcoin will close above 100,000 by the end of the year. Fundstrat's Tom Lee says. So Tom Lee actually think that Bitcoin is going to close above 100K before the end of the year. And I will tell you that is very likely. Do I have a crystal ball? No, but that is very likely to happen. All right. If it doesn't, I don't know, but it will have a flash crash. It could have a flash crash before then. No one has a crystal ball. I've been talking about the greatest transfer of wealth. All right. There is the biggest transfer of wealth from the older generation to the next is going to change everything. And this is why I titled this video the way that I did. This changes everything for crypto and for stock. Before I hit that, good people, because people will not know and get it for full price. I'm telling you, Stock Up You is going to be, you're going to have your biggest discount if you continue to use the coupon code LEARN as you check out. And you can purchase it before you check out. You can gift it to someone. You can buy now and pay later. Okay. So we're killing it in crypto. We're killing it in stocks. Take the class. All right. Don't invest in yourself first. Don't play. All right. Let's go and listen to this. And then we're going to come back and comment.
You know, investors need to know inside of like the crypto market, there's a tremendous amount of leverage, which I think has gotten exuberant. People's spirits have gotten exuberant. And from what I'm seeing in the past 24 hours, there's been about 600 million, which isn't that big, but still you're seeing this like big unwind, which really is just a margin call of people getting too levered. And so I do think investors need to understand this asset class has a ton of volatility, but it also has a lot of leverage in the system. And when those margins come in, you're going to get magnified moves. I mean, Bitcoin's not seeing a magnified moves, but underneath the surface, several of the other currencies have been.
So I had to record that on my phone. I did. I'm glad I did when I saw it because they haven't reposted it yet. It'll probably be posted. So forgive the audio and visual. But as you could see, I've been talking about how I'm doing this backwards. OK, I was talking about how the leverage trading and the margins and all of that in crypto, that's now in crypto, is causing it to be suppressed, just like she said. And you're going to have those people getting margin calls and losing money, the ones that are not educated in this area. Now, there are some people that's doing leverage trading that's absolutely killing it. I have a friend that has been averaging 40, 50K a day leverage trading crypto, but you got to be a good trader for that. Now, I want to talk about the greatest generation that's going to change everything, because this changes everything for every single investor out there. I keep talking about crypto. Young people believe in crypto. Older people are slow to move over, but when they move over, it's a lot of money. But there's something else that's going on. They are taking their money and they're giving it to younger people. And younger people like us, we believe in blockchain. We believe in cryptocurrency. And as a matter of fact, I keep telling you guys that this is the year that Larry thinks that EVs will be beat down the most. I've been saying that and I'm going to stick to it. We will see how the end of next year looks as it pertains to this year. Larry, well, how could you bring up EVs? Look at the stock. They're beat down. That's exactly my point. OK, and you got to think about this. Your kid, if you're 50, 60, 70, your kids they don't care anything about fracking, but they do care about the planet and all of this stuff. I'm just telling you. Now, we're going to always need oil. That's the whole misconception. We're going to need oil forever. OK, and there is room for both is what I'm saying. But your grandkids, they're going to be in something that's going to be flying. All right, with the way AI is going. All right, let's listen to this.
Investor Day today. That stock's up more than 200% this year. Our Kate Rooney is following that and joins us now. Kate?
Nice guy. Yeah, so this is Robinhood's first ever Investor Day. CEO Vlad Tenev on stage laying out this 10-year game plan for the company and some pretty lofty goals. For example, they're aiming to be number one in options by 2027, number one in equities by 2029, and really going after active traders and the seismic wealth transfer.
So an estimated 84 trillion of assets owned by older generations is going to be inherited by younger generations in the next 2 decades, the largest transfer of wealth in human history. And this is significant not because so much money is changing hands, but because it's changing minds.
I absolutely hate the update on this phone, good people. Check it out before you do it. But anyway, you heard the greatest $84 trillion, all right? A decade is only 10 years. That doesn't mean it's all going to come then. It's coming right now, right? They're going to spend a little and then they're going to pass most of it on, right? And so that's going to change the way we trade. You could see they are trying Robinhood that they were talking about. They are trying to corner the market, and they will. And I'm telling you guys that if you're older, don't think about how your dad or even you traded. You got to look at the future, see where the money is going and growing, and look at the TAM, T-A-M, total addressable market. That's what you got to look at. You got to look at the future, right? And so crypto is here to stay, and it's only going to get stronger and stronger. Let's look at Bitcoin right quick. Let's look at the bubbles. We can see still green, 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 green. Green, 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 green. So I went from month to week to day to hour. And that's what we like to see. All right. And so we could see that Bitcoin, if we look here, I'm not a master charter, but I know how to look at a level. And we could see that Bitcoin, we had this wick down, but then it came right back up and it wicked down to 94. Right. And then it's kind of range bound between 94 and 97 right now. If it breaks the caution and goes through 97 and then right back up through 97, we can come back to the highs that we had, which was really like 99. You can see it right here. See here, 52 week, 99,860. We were just under 100,000. And you could see that Tom Lee believes that we will break that level of resistance, and then, because it's psychological, and then we will hit 100K Bitcoin. Now, I'm going to touch on XYO, right? So XYO, I did a little buying last night, and I bought right here. Right here is where I bought. It was right here. 0.02737. It's where I bought, and as you can see, it went back up a little bit. I could see it had wicked down here, it wicked all of these, and then it seemed to be a decent price to buy since it has fallen from here down to here, and I believe that it will come back. Let's see, what is the distance from here to here? That's another 50%, good people. That's another 50% to come back to where it was just on December 3rd. And so, as you can see, it's been a good mover. It's been a really good mover. We could see for the day is down 13%. Let's call it 14%. But for the week, XYO is still up 241%. For the week. Okay, I'll take that. I don't know about you. All right. Hopefully you was able to follow this. I was just trying to show you stuff from the phone, and this update had me all confused and all of that. But I hate this update, good people. But I said something that in this video that will help you to make money. All right, good people. Download the class. Everyone that has the class, I want you to start checking your emails. Because and you'll get an email from Teachable. Okay, so you'll get an email from either Teachable. You'll see it through Teachable. And I want you to open that email because we have a little gift for you that have bought, not everyone, but we're going to start to roll it out over the next couple of weeks. So if you see an email from Teachable, please read it. Okay, I love you guys. We're going to leave it right there. Hopefully I showed you something that will make you some money. And we'll see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.